my last full day here in Brittany. I'm here next week, but I'm gonna be working, so I wanted to make the most out of today, and so I thought I would take you along with me. Let's go. Lunchtime now. This morning I went to the tiny flea market like I showed you. There was nothing interesting at all. And then I went to the market in the town near us, and that was really nice, and that's where I bought the really cute mug. I'm really happy. I love buying coffee mugs. And yeah, I was knitting away a bit. I didn't knit that much this morning on my second quilty cabin socks. This is the first one, and I'm on 2 of the second one, so that's really exciting. So hopefully I can get this one done today. We'll see. We're gonna go to the beach now for 2 hours maybe, and I think I'm gonna bring another project, so I'll show you that. So I've talked about this project a little bit on the previous podcast I uploaded, because I cast this on before I filmed that. And so I cast on a Maggie cardigan by Petite knit, which I'm so excited about. It's on a small cable, but I don't have any longer cables with me, so it's gonna have to stay that way. But it's looking cute. I'm very excited to have my first ever hand knitted black cardigan, and I think the shaping of the Maggie cardigan is going to be nice. I'm going to make it long sleeve. For the construction, it's a little bit of an odd one. I'm not sure what name the construction is. I don't know if it's a satin sleeve or a contiguous construction or a compound raglan. I never remember. But basically you start off with the back panel. You need a very short amount of the back panel. Then you pick up stitches for the shoulders. I think this much of the shoulder. Then you knit a little bit of the panel of the one shoulder. Same for the other one. You do some neckline increases, and then you join it kind of together, not in the round, but you join it together. So you join the back panel with this side of the shoulders, then you get back to the leftover like the stitches that were on hold, and then you add a little bit of stitches with the backward loop method here for the front placket. Kind of, I mean, you're gonna have to pick up stitches then, but that's where you're gonna pick up stitches for the neckline, I think. And I'm almost to the point where I have to start the increases for the body, but for now I'm only doing increases around the sleeves. And yeah, it's a fairly easy knit. Now I'm knitting this one using the continental method, and my tension is really not that neat. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see because it is black, but I can see it. It's kind of bothering me, but I don't really know how to fix it. So I know there are a couple of ways I can do it, but I honestly don't even know if it's just on the purl side that I'm rowing out, or if it's also on the right side. So I know I could switch up one of the needles to knit like one way with a smaller needle size, but I don't know if that's gonna mess up the gauge, and so I'm not sure I'm gonna switch like in the middle of this project. It's black, so I don't think it's going to be too noticeable. It wasn't noticeable in my swatch, but I think on like a larger piece of fabric it's more noticeable. I think I'm going to keep knitting today as is, because I don't think today I'm going to have the time to actually take a moment to try out different techniques, but maybe a little bit next week I can try out different techniques. I do have tutorials that I have to watch that you guys have recommended to me, so don't come at me, I know. So that's the project I'm gonna bring with me to the beach. And I'm also bringing a hand knit piece because on the beach it can be quite chilly, there's wind usually. So I'm gonna bring my Marielle Blouse, which is a recently finished object. I was wearing my storm sweater this morning by Petite, which I really like. It was a bit cold, so that's why I started wearing this, and then I got too cold, so I wore the storm sweater. I think this one, because of the lace, it might be a little bit cold, so I might bring also the storm sweater with me. We'll see. This one is a pattern by Mariasverden, if I didn't say, but as always I will link everything down below. So let's go to the beach. really good day today. I managed to finish the sleeve increases. Now I'm on to the raglan increases for my Maggie cardigan. I didn't finish my sock, didn't have enough knitting time for that. And I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on a like regular family day here in Brittany. It was a little bit tricky to show you everything, but hopefully you guys had an idea of what happens, what we eat, what we do here. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed coming along with me, and I'll see you in the next one.